Hello. Got out of the shower not long ago, hence the shirt. I apologize. We're out here. What is today? Thursday? It's Thursday today. Ooh, I should have opened my window, but I didn't. It is what it is. So, let's just jump in, eh? I don't really know what else to say for the intro. All right, step 4 to 6. When the loop reaches the letter Z. Oh, yeah, because we're dealing with it. Yeah, breaking, because there's... When you go Z plus 3, it doesn't know what to do. When the loop reaches the letter Z, the sum index plus shift exceeds the length of the string alphabet. In this case, something new here. In this case, the modulo operator percent can be used to return the remainder of the division between two numbers. Why would I want to divide? For example, 5 divided by 2, or is that 2 divided by 5? I don't know how to read math. Is equal to 1. Because, it's 5 divided by 2. Okay, my bad. Because 5 divided by 2 has a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 1. Interesting. So even though the quotient is 2, that spits out the remainder. Surround index plus shift with parentheses and modulo. Is that how you say that word, modulo? The expression with 26. Oh. Just the alphabet at length. Okay. So we'll do this. Whoops, I did it wrong. That, and then we'll do... Is it 20... Whoops. 26... No. New index... Oh. My bad. So... Hey, there we go. Oh, but we got the C's again. If you wish to incorporate additional characters, the alphabet string, such as digits or special characters, you'll find it's necessary to manually modify the right operand. So, if I want to add stuff to the alphabet here, I'll need to manually change this depending on what I put in here. Manually modify the right operand. Okay, I mean, that kind of makes sense. Couldn't really... Yeah, no, I get it. I was about to be like, I couldn't tell you why, but it kind of makes sense. Replace 6, or 26, with length. Oh, that's easy. So now I don't have to change it manually, because it will just grab the length of whatever it is at the time. Next, modify your print call to print encrypted text. What? Just that? No, none of the character beforehand? Modify it to call it to print encrypted text. So, like that, right? And put outside the for loop so that the encrypted string is printed one time. Oh yeah, because right now it's like going like ding, 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 ding. So we're just gonna go boop one time. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Right before the print call, add another one and pass plain text. Okay. So print plain text as the arguments to print. Use the same indentation. Okay. Oh, so okay, cool. So plain text. We're just telling it to appropriate plain text. Sorry, my nose. Let me blow my nose. I want to mute myself. How gross is going to be? I'm going to leave it. Excuse me. So plain text. Text. And that's just the before anything is changed. Yeah, like up here, hello Zyra. And then the encrypted one. Okay. Maybe C isn't a problem. Maybe how that's a C. I don't know if that's a problem. Z 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. Okay, that's fine. A function is essentially a reusable block of code. You have already met some built-in functions like print, find, len. But you can also define custom functions like this. Define function name code. A function declaration starts with the def keyword followed by the function name. Oh, my nose. I'm sorry. I feel okay, but it's just the final stuff is like in my head. Let's see here. Def keyword followed by the function name, a valid variable name, and a pair of parentheses. Declaration ends with a colon. Okay. Right after your shift variable, oh, they already made a space for me. Declare a function called Caesar and indent all the following lines to give your new function a body. So, def Caesar. Look at us, huh? And then indent everything. Do I have to indent those as well? I'm like just indenting everything here. Again, the stuff that's already been indented once. Do I need to do that? Oh, wow, that's it. Okay, good. Nothing came out, but... to execute a function, or excuse me, to execute a function needed. I can't read. I'm sorry. To execute a function need. Okay, this isn't my fault. To execute a function needs to be called or invoked by appending a pair of parentheses after its name, like this. Function name. The end of your code, call your Caesar function, pay attention to the indentation. Whoops. So, this should be fairly straightforward, right? Hey, we called it. Oh, that's why nothing came out. That's why nothing came out before, because we didn't call it. Pay attention to the indentation. There was no indentation. All right. Now you should see the output again. We do. Although this approach works, it doesn't significantly enhance the code's reusability. Repeatedly calling your function will result in the same outcome. However, functions can be declared with parameters to introduce versatility and customization. So, define function name, parameter 1, parameter 2. Oh. Parameters are variables that you can use inside your function. A function can be declared with different number parameters in the above example. Parameter 1 and parameter 2 are parameters. Modify your function declaration so that it takes two parameters called message and offset. Okay. Message offset. Okay. Inside your function body, rename the text and shift variables to message and offset respectively. Oh, it's up here. Trying to trick me. Wait, in the body? In the body. No, they didn't trick me. So rename the is it here? Text and shift. No, that's index, my bad. It's up here. It has to be, right? I need to change it elsewhere, but you should rename all occurrences. Okay. I didn't know how. Okay. So this is going to be message dot lower encrypted and then we can leave encrypted text, right? Or is it going to be an encrypted message? We'll leave it. Shift is going to be offset. Encrypted text. Print plain. And then this is going to be message. How's that? Hey! Right now, your code can't execute because the Caesar function is defined with two parameters, message and offset, but it is called without arguments. Give message and offset values. Oh. So we're basically putting in what we want to encrypt, right? Give message and offset values by passing text and shift as by passing text and shift. Oh. Okay. At the bottom of your code, after your existing Caesar text shift call, call your function again. This time, pass the text variable, the integer 13 as arguments. Okay. So that just encrypted it. Offset. Oh. Wait. Shift equals 3. Define Caesar message offset. Okay. I'm all of a sudden confused about this because right now it's blank, right? Excuse me. Right now it's blank. Oh. No, I think I understand. That just makes it so if like A is there, be like encrypted text equals 1 or 0, I think. And then that'd be 1, I think. Then a new index, the new position would be, wait, index. Where do I define what the index is? Uh-oh. Confused. Oh, right there, duh. Index equals out the identifying character. Okay, and then plus offset. What is offset? Is that just that? Yeah. I think that's just that position in the tuple. Offset. Because that's like the only other place we find it ahead of this, right? Yeah, I think so. And then encrypted text. Yeah. Wait. New index. Whoa, I'm confused. Where's shift in here? You know what I mean? Well, it's right there, but... Because... Oh. Oh, wait. So we're not using... Because the index, the original index is just the character, right? In here. So just finds the position plus offset, which is nothing right now. And then it divides it by the length of however long alphabet is. And then encrypted text. I just had oh my gosh. It all just clicked for my brain. So this is the offset, right? It is not defined until the call. Oh my gosh. So it's like it'll be whatever we want it to be. And it just so happened that shift is 3. That's why it worked. That's why when we put 13 in, it took it as 13 is the offset. So the new index would be the OG position plus 13 divided by the length of the alphabet, just so that it doesn't break after a Z. Right? Then the encrypted text is the original position of the character plus plus the new index, just like the new position. If that makes sense. Okay. Wow. So yeah, shift isn't really in here anymore. Trying to just understand this part. The divided by length of the alphabet. New index equals index plus offset. So like the A plus or 1 plus 13 or whatever. But then divided by... Curious. Why doesn't that work? Oh, because it's Z. So that works. Yeah. And then it doesn't work. Because is there not 12 characters after O? A, B, C, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. No, there aren't. That's why that broke. So, but then if I do this, it does work. Index plus offset divided by... Wait, so I'm curious, right? Comment this out. Right now it's IF MMP. IF MMP. Okay, so it does change it entirely. Maybe that does. I mean, maybe that doesn't matter because we're just encrypting it. It doesn't really matter. Because now when we get to having something, whoops. What am I doing? Oh, Shift Z, that's what I want. When we have a Z, it's not going to be like, whoa, there's nothing that comes after Z, in the case of the alphabet. The divided by the length of the alphabet. It'll spit the remainder. It'll always have something to do, to put out. So it is different. The encryption is different. I guess it's fine. Wow, dude. Huh? We're learning. I think that's going to do it for today, okay? It's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please post the comments below if you have a prayer request. I'd love to know how I can be praying for you guys. But love God, love people, and I'll see you guys soon.